the week 7 of learning artificial intelligence. What's up, guys? In this week, we'll start with machine learning. It is a very important week with AI. But first of all, you should be a good programmer with Python and have a good background. We did talk about Python in the last video. The link is in the description box if you want to, or you can find it here. What did I learn in this week? Let's take a look. First of all, we have an intro. You will know some tools and some basic stuff. And then how the machine learns. Types of learning: supervised learning, classification problems, regression problems, how to build the module, evaluate module preference, how to improve the module preference, standard scale, min-max scale, color quantization using k-means, overfitting versus underfitting, types of machine learning, support vector machine, linear SVM. SVM is for support vector machine. And finally, SVM from scratch. It's very important to learn this stuff. It's the basics for the future. And you maybe find some points hard or difficult to understand. You have to be focused, but it's okay. In the future, you will used to it and understand it. Now, this is the playlist I did watch in Arabic. It has an important point, you can follow it. And for English, you have this video. This is the most suitable video I did found. And it's very good. You do have the important points now and you know what you have to learn. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.